Hey everyone. So is Airtable not opening on your device? Maybe the app won't launch, the page stays blank, or it just keeps loading forever. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating when you need quick access to your bases and data. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Airtable not opening in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, check your internet connection. Airtable needs a stable connection to load the workspace and bases properly. Next, refresh the page or restart the Airtable app. Sometimes a simple reload can fix temporary loading glitches. If you're using Airtable in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can prevent Airtable from opening properly. You can also try opening Airtable in another browser. Sometimes browser extensions or compatibility issues cause loading problems. Certain browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Airtable. Temporarily disable them and try opening Airtable again. If Airtable still won't open, check the Airtable server status page. Sometimes the service itself is experiencing downtime. If you're using the Airtable desktop or mobile app, try updating or reinstalling it. Installing the latest version can fix issues caused by outdated or corrupted files. And that's it. Most Airtable opening issues can be fixed by refreshing the page, clearing cache, switching browsers, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.